My name is Mesud and I'm the warehouse lead here in Solothurn. I joined Biogen 5 years ago as a temp worker. After 6 months, I was then hired as a full-time employee. Shortly after, I was then promoted to a position as junior supervisor. Then I got promoted to a supervisor position, and since 1 year, I'm in the manager position as a warehouse lead, where I have a team of 12 people and they're responsible for all the inbounds, outbounds, the communication with the suppliers. Apart from the fact that Biogen was paying my further education as management specialist, I took advantage of a lot of development opportunities internally as well. One example was the front leadership program. Then on the other side, we have a mentoring program. I never had an official mentor, but I feel like I'm getting mentored by a lot of senior leaders. The most rewarding part working at P&T, especially here in supply chain, is that we are responsible for delivering life-changing medicine to the patients. I think I took a risk when I joined Biogen because I grew up here in Switzerland. I never worked in an English-speaking company before, so it was a big change for me. The whole environment, the whole side, I mean, it's incredible. We were still in project phase, kinda. The warehouse was operational, but still not GMP approved, so it was a risk joining Biogen, especially as a temp worker, but then at the end it paid off. To advance your career here at Biogen, I think it's really beneficial if you're not afraid of asking questions, because we have a lot of great leaders here on site which are giving advices which can help you to grow. You can be involved in a lot of different projects, which helps as well to extend your knowledge and learn a lot of things.